Hello guys, for today I will be sharing with you a chocolate chip cookies recipe that you will surely love. These babies are crispy on the edges but soft and chewy on the inside. So, here are the ingredients that you will be needing. Let's begin! In a medium bowl, mix together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Then set aside. In a larger bowl, beat together the butter, sugar, vanilla extract, and the vinegar until smooth. And that's the vinegar right there. Now you have to beat in the egg just until combined. Here you just have to mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients just until combined. After mixing, your batter should look like this. Exactly like that. Now for the best part, stir those chocolate chips in. Hey, it's okay if you want to add more. Look at those babies! This is actually the part where you want to eat them already. Trust me, it's very tempting. Cover your mixture with a cling wrap, then pop in the fridge for 2 hours or more. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a cookie scooper and drop 3 inches apart onto a cookie sheet. You may use a tablespoon as a scooper if you want a smaller version of cookies. In the middle rack, bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. These cookies will look light brown around the edges and might look underdone in the center, but that's totally fine. Now this is optional. You can rotate your tray halfway for an even result. Here's our final product. Lastly, just sprinkle some sea salt right after baking. Just to show you what it looks like inside. They are thin, crispy on the edges, but soft on the inside. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!